Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is abridge. 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 Abridge is a verb that means to shorten or condense a piece of written or spoken content while retaining its essential meaning or ideas. It's used to create a more concise version of a longer work. Here are some examples. Example number 1, the speaker had to abridge their presentation to fit within the allotted time. Why this use in example number 1? Here, abridge is used to describe the need to shorten a presentation due to time limitations. Example number 2, Shakespeare's plays are sometimes abridged to make them more accessible to modern audiences. Why this use in example number 2? Abridge is used to explain why Shakespeare's plays may be condensed. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.